We are changing the board. Okay. What I want to do is figure out. I've never felt more like a teacher. Oh, wow. That's sloppy, but there's sculpture. Drawing, painting, oh dear, color, books, and other. I'll be explaining more about that at the end of the video. We're going to be doing this deer. I don't have time to do the whole thing, the whole page, but I thought we could do the deer. Now it's on my GoPro, it's set to time lapse, and I don't seem to be able to figure out how to get it off of there. So we're going to be using gel pen, and I'm going to be taking like every few frames or few time-lapse bits and putting in there. And so enjoy watching, and there is a time when I run out of one color and I just keep trying to coax it along, so we end up having to change colors, but I think he's going to turn out looking okay.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
From you is to help me plan projects according to the bulletin board here. We can have all kinds of different things. I did try the markers earlier, the paint markers earlier, and I tried to work on this barrel. Problem is they are paint, and you've got to kind of be able to handle them like a pen or a marker, and so it didn't go through, I'm surprised, but it's hard to not get your hand in it and smear it while you're working on it. And trying to keep something as broad as that marker inside these fine little lines is just kind of like... So that's how the barrel came out, and that was so frustrating I didn't go on. So I did decide to go ahead and just use the gel pens, and we just did the deer. Because there's just simply not enough time, and it's on the GoPro, or the GoPro style camera, which is time-lapsed. I can't seem to figure out how to get it off. Please comment below on some project that you'd like to see me do. Maybe a plate again. I haven't done one of those for a while. Maybe something else. And there's, painting, maybe work on a painting or a drawing. Just sketching something out for a painting would probably be my first step on a painting. And, when the weather's nice enough, we'll get outside, and that'll go under other. Just name some things and we'll put them up there on the board, sculptures, whatever, and go from there. So I will talk to you Friday, because this goes up on Tuesday. Yeah, so I will see you on Friday. So please be patient with me. No. Please subscribe, click that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'm trying, folks, and without you, this channel would be nowhere. Please do share it too. Thank you very much. And love you. Good night.